doing? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Y'all come on in. Y'all come on in. Am I live? Yes. Looks like I'm live. Yes. I believe so. Y'all come on in. Come on in. Come on in, man. While everybody filters in, let me try to get myself together. Not gonna be before you long today. We're gonna get right to it without a whole lot of hesitation. Good morning, everybody. Pop it in. Good morning, Hilary Share. Good morning, Tish. Good morning to everybody that's popping in. We're gonna go and get right to it today. Hello. If this is your first time tuning in to Tim's Tidbits, please allow me to say welcome. If it's not your first time tuning in to Tim's Tidbits, I still want to say welcome and give you a nice hearty, but thank you for always tuning in to Tim's Tidbits. If you don't know who I am, my name is Timothy Lee Rogers Sr., a.k.a. Aranya Grande. That's Big Spot if you don't hablo Espanol. And you are now tuned to another episode of The Overnight Price Action Review. How y'all doing today, man? Hopefully y'all yes. The amazing Spider-Man. Yeah. Yes. How y'all doing today, man? We gonna go to get right into it. We gonna get right into it, man. It's 9:02. 9:02. If y'all ain't here, catch up. Catch up on the replay. Let's spread this out. If you wonder what that black line is right there, I marked out a order block, I think it was. Yes, a daily bearish order block that I marked out right there. I put the line there so I can see how price reacted when it got there. Because we have been just on this slow grind up every day. We had that monthly order block, stayed there for 2 days, dilly-dallied for 2 days, pushed back up to that volume imbalance there. And then on that third day, August the 8th, nothing could stop me up. All the way up. Been up. The 8th, 9th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 19th. Let's see what the day is going to bring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 straight days of just gunning from peak to trough. From the 8th up until yesterday, from the lowest low to the highest high, 8.68% over 7 trading days. 8.68% over 7 trading days. Gunning. Could the market be setting up for September to be the worst month? I don't know. I just trade what I see. But I know there's been a mean little August here. Look at that wick. Look at that wick on the month of August right now. Charlie. Look at that wick. Look at that wick on the month of August. That's a mean little wick. That monthly order block ain't no joke. It's running. Can't stop it. Look like it's gunning for all new highs. All right. Let's get to it. Let's get to it. So we open up over here at 5629.5. And then we pushed above the previous day's high. After that, we began to retrace back down to an order block. And when we hit that order block, we respect the CE of the NDOG. Yeah. Y'all like my song I just made up? Oh my, I kill me. I kill me. So, supposed to be by side. I mean, at 6. At 6. At 6. At 6. At 6. All right, so 6, we came up, made a high at 56.33.25. Then we pulled back down into this 445 order block, back down into the new day opening gap. Bodies of the candles are consistently respecting the consequent encroachment of the new day opening gap, which is right around this area where I'm moving my mouse there. And then we came in and set a low on this 9 p.m. candle that we have yet to take out. All right. 9 p.m. candle that we have yet to take out. And then we, after setting that low at 9 p.m., we displaced away, taking out the initial buy side liquidity that was set at 6 p.m. Did not create any bissies until we got up in the premium. Right, we created a bissie in the premium, and when we finally topped out, making a high on the 1045 candle. On the 1045 candle, topped out, making a high on a 1045 candle at 56.37 even. Why do I keep clicking sell side? 56.37 even. We came back and quickly made an inversion fair value gap as anticipated, because why? We created a bissie in the premium of the move, right? See, market, that's again, I don't like when the market creates imbalances in the premium. I mean, I don't like when it creates bullish imbalances in the premium or bearish imbalances in the discount. So we came down, created an inversion fair value gap on the 11:15 candle, right? Created inversion fair value gap on 11:15 candle, traded all the way back down to the new day opening gap and the bullish order block at 9 p.m. All right, so we got the 9 p.m. bullish order block and traded back down into the new day opening gap on this 11:30 candle, right? 11:30 candle, trade down to the new day opening gap and the 9 o'clock bullish order block. Right, that'll be that candle right there. Respected it, bounced off of it. Then we traded our way back up into the 11:15 SIBI, right? And just consolidated there for a while, working the SIBI. As you see, that right there is at the equilibrium of the price range when it was going up, consolidating there at equilibrium right there at the prior day's high. So we're consolidating right there, engineering liquidity there, right? And then here Oh, where's my midnight line at? Oh, there it is right there. I'm sorry. I didn't see it. All right. So the midnight open is at 56.29.25. We're sitting there, excuse me, working this 12 o'clock Bessie and this 11:15 Sibby, which is working that while we're consolidating their engineering liquidity. Right. So while we engineering liquidity, we notice during this time of engineering liquidity, we notice that the market creates relative equal lows and a single high right there, right? So we got relative equal lows and a single high. Then we displace away attacking the single high there on this after we started to displace up, reclaim that 15-minute Bissy that we created back here at 10:30, the 10:30 Bissy, we reclaimed that on this 2:30 candle. So we reclaimed the 10:30 Bissy on this 2:30 candle. After reclaiming the Bissy, we traded back down to the low of the Bissy, right, into the upper quadrant of the inversion fair value gap from 11:15 p.m. This SIBI, for those who can't see it, let's draw it out. This SIBI and volume imbalance right there. All right. I'm gonna put SIBI. Not gonna extend it to the right. All right. I'm gonna make it gray like this. So come down to the low of the reclaim 10:30 fair value gap and respect the upper quadrant of the 11:15 SIBI. Yes. Respect the upper quadrant of that. If you put Fibonacci tool on there and put it in the 4th grade, boop, right there. That's the upper 25% right there. Respect the upper quadrant, reject off and displace up. All right. And as we displace up, as we pass by the single high that we spoke about, that price had made inside this price leg right here, right? Relative equal lows, single high, we create a Bissy. Where's the Bissy being created? In the premium of that leg right there. So once we hit that, I think that was a daily order block, right? We hit the daily order block, ran some stops there, see the long wick there, and then we dropped down and immediately created an inversion fair value gap. Rather. Let's go here. Go here. Go Team Dynamite. I thought we agreed on Team Super Cool. All right. So this right here is the 3:15. Right. 3:15 candle. 3:15 a.m. Right. So during the London kill zone, right, we created this Bissy up here in the premium of this move right here. Right. Boom. So we created that Bissy in the premium of that move right there at the breaking market structure. Right. And as we come down, we quickly create an inversion. Did we create it on this candle here? Let's see. 56.75. 56.36.75. The low on that candle right there is 56.36. Yes, so we did. We created the inversion fair value gap here on this 4 a.m. candle, right? Displaced down after taking out the high, after attacking high. Price reversed, came down and attacked the relative equal lows. Right? And then after taking out the relative equal lows, price traded back up into that inversion fair value gap, touched the low of the inversion fair value gap from the 315 candle, right? Now it's 515. Then price traded back down and traded back up to the inversion candle again, and traded back down, aka just a little hit holiday home, right? So we just consolidating right there. And then notice here from this 5 o'clock time frame, right? This is just some of the stuff that Michael be talking about with his new mentorship. Notice here, it's 5 o'clock time frame there. Price set, right? Came up, made a high there, right? Came up and touched that high, or made a high, made a low, came up and touched that high without taking it out and pulled back off of it. So when this candle closed, right, you have equal highs there with a single low. The next candle opened up, boom, took out those equal highs and rejected off, and then dilly-dally, and then now it's come back down and taken out that single low, right? Now that it's come down and taken out that single low, now it looks like price is headed to the overnight swing low, right? Headed to the overnight swing low. That's what it looks like price is heading to. And not only is it heading toward the overnight swing low, we've already started to tap into these relative equal lows. This right here is the low from the London. This right here is the low from the Asian. So we got these 2 session lows, which are relative equal lows, and now price is already digging into it, right? We just have to get down to this 56.2575, which would be the overnight low. And with that, that brings me to the end of the overnight price action review. The crowd goes wild. I think I'm about to go back to using Streamlabs OBS. I've been using StreamYard for about 2 years now. And the reason why I had started using StreamYard is because I used to invite people on the channel to talk with me, and StreamYard made that very easy to do. They can just come on the stage and I can have them on the screen right there and y'all can see it. I don't really do that no more. I don't do that no more at all. So I'm tired of paying that $200 and something a year for the subscription when I'm not using the features. I'm gonna go back to using Streamlabs, OBS Streamlabs. Hopefully OBS and Discord play nice together. You know, hopefully OBS and Discord play nice together. Because sometimes they don't be want to play nice together. Like both of them be trying to use the microphone at the same time and stuff like that. So we'll see how it go. Either that, or if I keep using it, might go back to just having the free version with that big duck. That big duck right there be in the bottom corner of the videos. Had a big old duck watermark over there. Might do that, but you know, can't justify spending that $200 and something a year when I got stuff that I could stream with that I don't have to pay $200 and something a year for. Anyway, everybody got anything for me? It's a quick one, man. 920. The NQ dumping. The NQ already took out the overnight low. NQ dumping. That's the overnight low right there. I was watching NQ earlier. That was a nice short day. I didn't wake up for the London. That was a nice retracement back. Came down to the new day opening gap, retraced back up to there. NQ hit that daily volume and balance up there. Looked like it might give a retracement. We got a 4-hour fair value gap below price down there. Let's see how that play out. We've traded down past that last area. All right. Let's see if this right here gonna make up the smart money reversal there. All right. Okay. Cocaine down, came down, hit that, push down. Now we're up under the new day opening gap. Let's see if we get back up to the new day opening gap and start to make our way down. Fair value gap. Then that'll be the new week opening gap. Then that'll be the completion of market maker buy model. Sell model right now. Let's see how that play out. It's just been slowly grinding up. So there's no guarantees or nothing. That's why I say let's see if this plays out to be, because this is a 15-minute chart. We've hit a daily volume imbalance, right? And we've traded down past this last area of accumulation right there. And we got a huge buy side imbalance right here, right? Meaning we're lacking sell side delivery. All right. So there's no sell side delivery from this consolidation to that consolidation, right? And there's no true sell side delivery. There's one down counter there. So from there to there, and especially from here, up as overall is just one direction up. So now that we've taken out that low right there, right? We're taking out these relative equal lows from the overnight session. So if we come back, respect that breaker, then start to move down. Or will we just pull? Let's look at it. So on the 4-hour chart. Yeah, so for the 4-hour chart. All right, so for the 4-hour, that'll be pulling back into the discount right there. All right, so we got a discount. So we hit the daily volume imbalance. Then looking like it want to retrace back down to the discount 4-hour fair value gap. So let's see if the bullishness continue. We've been pushing up toward that weekly fair value gap. Let's see if we come back and hit that. What's the day? Today is Tuesday. Okay. All right. So let's see if we come down and hit that and proceed back up. Or if we come down and hit that. This is where we are here. Come down, come back there, come down, come back there, come down to there. Or do we come down, then start to go back up? All right. Been extremely bullish, but we're super, super, super extended. This is those times when I say, for me, right? This is the move right here. From that low to that high. That's the move. Right? So from that low to that high, you know what I'm saying? We super extended. That's just for me. I'm like, I need, you know what I'm saying? I need me a good pullback to be wanting to participate in buying this. You know what I'm saying? Because we super extended. Right? But looking at and even looking in the sense of the daily range, we're still in the premium, you know what I'm saying, in the sense of the daily range. All right. So this is daily range. I needed to come back down to this 4-hour fair value gap to start looking for buy setups because we're so extended. All right. So with that, you can use that and be like, okay, since we're extended, we're up here and there. If it give me opportunity to sell down to that, I could scalp down to the 4 hour. Or you can just wait till it get to the 4 hour and see if it give you a setup to go back long. Trade what you see, man. Deborah. What happened to you the other night, Deborah? We had us a hard-hitting Q&A session on Sunday. Sunday night Q&A was fire. And we had no Deborah in the chat. What's up, Wells Rock? What's up, E-Rock? What's up, Sonia? F. Martinez, Thomas, Lump. What's going on? Who else in here? Kashaya, what's going on? Hey, that's all I got, man. I don't see nothing in the chat, so I assume ain't nobody got nothing for me. So, remember, if you're going to trade, please trade safe. If you're not going to trade, please take a copious amounts of notes so you can go back and study. What you saw today. I saw the replay. Yes, it was wonderful. Glad you enjoyed the replay. Hey, that's it, man. Until the next time I decide to get on Al Gore's internet and share my thoughts on this thing that we call price action. Remember, it's your boy, Aranya Grande. That's Big Spider if you don't hablo español. Y'all be safe on he cold trading streets, man. Gone. Yeah. Get off my screen, Deborah.